हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है सोहेल फ़िदाई और मेरे साथ है मोइज़ भाई कागलवाला जो सांता क्रूज़ दाऊदी बोहरा जमात के सेक्रेटरी है। आज उन्होंने एक वॉकाथॉन का आयोजन किया था। आइए हम जानते हैं मोइज़ भाई से वॉकाथॉन का व्हाट वाज द रीज़न। एवरी वॉकाथॉन हैज़ एक पर्पस होता है। व्हाट वाज द रीज़न फॉर
Good morning everyone. The reason for this walkathon is that our Aka Mullah Sayyidina Mufaddal Saifuddin has very clearly mentioned to everyone, every single mu'minin, that we need to focus on our health, fitness, and a brisk walk in the morning is the best way to start your day. And this exercise has been taken by Santa Cruz Jamaat. All mu'minins, a lot of people have participated. We have more than about 120 participants, and this is a start. We want to make this into a regular daily exercise so that people can stay healthy, stay fit, and do good.
I have with me Mr. Mustafa Bhai Parekh, who's a renowned doctor. Mustafa Bhai, what have you to say? In the morning you had got up and there was a walkathon and lots of people बहुत साथ में थे. How much did you enjoy also, and what have you to say?
Alhamdulillah, it was a very, very nice organization by Santa Cruz Jamaat, Anjuman-e-Hamidi. This is on our Aka Mullah's Khushi Mubarak. Every Mu'minin, everybody must walk for 45 minutes. So this was a very good initiative by Santa Cruz Jamaat, and all our members, as you can see, everybody's come. We've got around 150, 200 people, and I hope this early morning freshness, vitamin D, sunlight, and on the beach or in the nature will be a wonderful take-home message for everybody in the community, and I hope we have this thing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I have Mr. Murtaza Bhai Kagalwala, who is a Jamaat member. Murtaza Bhai, welcome. What have you to say about this walkathon?
Yeah, thank you very much. It was indeed a wonderful experience, and I should say that this has to continue. We, as as individuals doing business and occupied in so many things, we're so stressed out in life. I think this is a very good, stress buster. Morning you get up and walk, and you have developed those very good fitness, and Maula is doing good things for us. This is one of them, and we'll continue doing this, and I believe we should encourage more people to join more in the senior citizen group. About 60 people need this because there are a lot of problems. I think walking and doing physical exercise in the morning will really help us. Thank you very much.
Yeah. I have Mr. User Bhai Patanwala, who is a businessman in Santa Cruz. User Bhai, क्या कहना चाहोगे?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमें तो ये रोज़ आना जाना हफ्ते में एक बार 2 बार तो होना ही चाहिए वॉकिंग हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, बच्चों के बूढ़े के लिए भी। मेरी आज जितने एज हो गए फिर भी मैं वॉकिंग करता हूँ, यहाँ से बॉम्बे तक भी जाता हूँ इंशाल्लाह, बस ऊपर वाले की दया है तो सब कुछ अच्छा होता है। और यहाँ पे जितने भी सब हमारे आए हैं तो उन लोग को भी बड़ी अच्छी आज इंजॉय भी मिल रहा है, साथ में हमारा वर्क भी हो रहा है, और ये जितना भी उतना वॉकटाउन का हो रहा है तो बड़ी कम है। और सोहेल भाई का जो बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं कि इन्होंने बहुत ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, जिन्होंने भी बस ये काम है और चलते रहे, आगे चलते रहिए, ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए, आगे से आगे चलने चाहिए। खुदा
હમીદી મસ્જિદ તરફથી જે વોકેથોનનું ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન કરવામાં આવેલું છે મને ઘણી ખુશી છે। આપ લોકોએ ઘણી સારી રીતે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરેલું છે અને મને આઈ એન્જોય ધીસ ઇવેન્ટ।